Morning guys, it is December 9th, 2024. And I got a call from a lady. She's got a gas boiler and it's not working. So she wants me to go by there and see if I can figure out what's going on with it. Try to get you some shots when I get over there. Up.
You know what? I looked in there this morning to see if I could see it, and I didn't see the head of it.
Yeah.
And
you had it slid down.
it slid down. How did it slide down?
Joe homeowner put it in. That's why. Right?
Probably.
Yeah.
Well, not probably.
Could have just slid down by itself. We'll
yeah,
try lightening it again.
Alright. I think I shut it off there at the valve, so you're gonna have to open it up to push the valve down.
You shut it off at the valve?
No, in here, on the third,
Yeah, on the top,
right there.
yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, so that should be pilot there. Let's see if it lights.
Oh, brother. Well.
Oh yeah, she's a blowtorch.
Yeah. Now, I don't know if that's supposed to be that high.
I could turn that down. Let's see if it stays on.
Yeah. Well,
It might have been that it just slid down.
yeah. Shit. And I looked there and I didn't see the tip of it. I'm like, well, maybe I kept that down far enough.
It's possible.
Yeah.
You don't want to change the gas valve unless you have to.
No, that's what I hear. Yeah. Well, I'm not even here. I just assume that because I'm sure.
Was that the boss?
Yeah.
Are you the boss?
I am the boss. Are
Yeah.
you Steve?
That's me, yeah.
Hi.
Well, hopefully, this is just like a meet and greet because it might not be such a big deal.
Let's
Thermal
see.
couple will slip down underneath.
Is that because
Yeah, it's staying on. It's staying on now.
Is it? That's what it
Yeah.
is.
So I pushed it back up, and I did the little funky chicken with the thing so it won't come down again.
All right. How does it come down though? I mean, what would?
I don't know. You're the one that put it in.
Well, it's kind of like it slid in, and it wasn't.
It was down. So.
Well, I know that. Yeah, I just don't know how. Is there a little clip, isn't there, that holds it?
All right. Why don't we turn it on and
All
turn
right.
up the heat?
Yeah, turn the circulators. Go. I'll turn it on.
Yeah, I would let that go. It might have been that it just slid down. You just changed the thermocouple, and he put a new one in there, but it slid down.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
then it was sensing that it wasn't sensing the pilot, and it shut off.
And it's funny, it was last Wednesday, the pilot went out. The thermocouple must have been in the right spot. The pilot went out, he lit it, and then we went away for 4 days. So thank God it didn't shut off while we were gone.
Yeah. Well, he put, sometimes them things need to be replaced.
Well, what, the thermocouple?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is a new one. He
Yeah.
actually bought two, just in case. Because we've gone through many. He's always having to light the pilot.
Well, you know what it is? It is a little high in it. Gonna cook them. Let's see. Is it high or not? Yeah. It ain't too bad. He's gonna turn up the heat and we'll see what happens.
Yeah. I was getting a little chilly. I said, I'm going to Trukey's because at least I'll have some heat in the car. Oh, my Lord.
You getting cold out?
Well, it's saying 51, but it's raw because there's no sun.
Yeah.
I had also called you, Steve, back in June about my air conditioner, but when you called me back, I'd already got it fixed. But I did want to talk to you, and maybe we wait till the spring because I want to replace my central air.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean the ductwork, nothing like that has to be touched. I just need a new.
The new outside
machine.
unit. What do they keep adding gas to it?
No, nobody touches it.
Well, why change it then?
Because it's inefficient. It's as old as the house. It was from the 60s.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You're talking
You
about
turn up the heat?
Yeah.
Oh, let it come on.
I mean, sometimes I gotta crank it up. I put it up.
What'd you put it, like 62?
You gotta turn it up so it comes on,
Yeah,
guy.
no, it's like 66 it was 60 in the house. I turned it to 65.
Oh my God.
Where'd you find this guy?
Yeah, 48 years I've been with this guy.
I need a laugh. I've been having a tough day today.
Oh, have you? Yeah.
Yeah, it's like every job I go on, it turns into a shit show.
Oh, yeah.
One of them days, you know?
Yeah, well, that's what I figured, because, you know, you would say late morning, but I said, I'm sure he ran into situations.
Everything I touch, it turns into a flipping.
Well, hopefully, where's my wood? This one will be fine.
Yeah, I'm hoping.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think the pilot just slid down. And, Joe Homeowner in action here, you know?
Yeah.
I'm bad.
Well, he's replaced them and lit them before, but, you know, this time it just wasn't working, and I don't think he...
Fire it up. I put it to 74. Still nothing?
Still nothing.
Alright, I want to turn it down and turn it up a bit.
No, did you,
Brad, wait.
did you hit any breakers or anything? Like, shut the power off?
No.
The two circulators.
What's this off here, an attic? What's this stuff?
We have the attic shut off.
Yeah.
We don't-
Why is this off?
They should be. I just shut it off because the circulator, even though I shut the heat off, it kept running and running and running. So I put that on, and that one I shut off too because it was the upstairs. Yeah, see, they run. And this one was running, but I don't even know why it was calling because.
Yeah, it's calling now.
Yeah, I shut the.
You can't. Them right there, feeding those them breakers for these. So if them are off, it's feeding through there.
There we
There we
go.
go. All right.
Didn't
Oh,
you
good.
remember that you had shut those off?
I did, but those are only for the circulator.
No, but you got that's. It must be the house. This must be the main power coming in, maybe, or something.
Connects to something.
Oh, I know I shut off the circulators because they just kept running.
Yeah. All right. So it's working.
All right.
Thank God. Now, on this thing here is getting a little old. You might want to do is just put it on hold. See this hold damper?
Yeah.
You put it on hold, it won't shut off. Right now, it's activating on and off, on and off.
Right.
Sometimes as these things get older, you're better off to lock them open.
Oh, really? Okay. So
I would, because look how old it is, see?
Yep.
Let's lock it open.
Okay.
It just ain't going to shut off. It's just one less problem you're going to have.
Okay.
Is this stuff changed or no?
Yeah.
Oh, it was?
Yeah.
Yeah, I would just, this is a big boiler, man. They really put a big unit in here.
That's good. Yeah, I don't know why.
Well, maybe because the heat goes to the attic, it goes to the garage.
Well, it did go to the garage. Yeah, now it goes to the sunroom and then goes to the main
Yeah.
house.
All right, so you got heat. It's working.
Beautiful.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm sweating.
Make sure this is not. There's gonna be a little time.
Yeah.
Make sure that's not stuck. It's gonna take some time.
Yeah, I mean, that's fine. Yeah, that kisses me off, but.